So you want a washer that fits around that shoulder. Down there on the bottom, right there. You don't want it up here, because that's got to go through the rail, but down here to take up the gap between the plastic wheel and the aluminum rail, so that this can no longer slide in or out and wobble. Here you can see the washer on there. This is a brass washer I got at the hardware store. I had to sand it on a sharpening stone to get the thickness right. It fits right around there, and I drilled it out. But that shims that just right. These should last a long time. I've also coated them with some moly grease. Okay, I just finished this one. It rotates fine. You can see my little washer in there. This one had 2 spacers on it from the factory. But if I try and rock it back and forth, or kitty corner, it doesn't wiggle. And that means that it's not going to put stress on the center of the wheel with the weight. Hopefully these will last a long time. I also replaced the end caps and the rail wedges with a product called bed wedges. They're made out of cast aluminum and they're rock solid.